Up for sale today, we got a 1955 Chevy pickup, a Pro Street, real cool. A lot of money went into this build. The custom paint, the custom interior, the built 454, power disc brakes, power steering, automatic, dual electric fans, aluminum radiator. It has an air conditioning compressor. It's just not hooked up yet. It's there. You just need to, like I said, hook it up. Not too bad. It's an older build. The paint's okay. Okay, I take that back. The paint is nice. There are some marks on it from driving it over the years and enjoying it. You know, who builds a car like this and doesn't enjoy it? See, there's a couple of chips up on the hood. The paint overall is nice. The whole frame is painted to match the car. 90% of it's purple to go with the purple here. Custom door panels. The painted dash, the custom seat. Black carpet, speakers. You can get a glimpse of the frame there. Side exhaust, dual side exhaust, excuse me. Big fat tires in the back. You know, this is on the verge of almost being a pro touring car, if you want to call it that, because of all the options it has. It doesn't drive at all like it looks. You could drive this every day. It steers easy. It steers nice. You know, the power steering, the disc brakes, all those options really help it out. The guy's probably spent at least $40,000 building it. And that was whoever knows how many years ago. So imagine how much it would cost to build something like this now. The driver's seat's got a little wear on it. It's okay. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look bad at all. The black carpet. Shark gauges. Nice steering wheel. All custom. You can't rate it 5,000 pounds. Power windows too, I didn't mention that. This car's got it all. Oh God. There we go. The custom painted inside, the fender walls, the back, the firewall. Control arms are painted. Aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. AC, like I said, not hooked up. The power brakes. The power steering. It's got special power steering down there. That's not your regular power steering. 454. Painted underneath. There you go. Like I said, it'll be for sale soon on our eBay page. Check it out. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want any more questions, pictures, information, get in touch with us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
a Pro Touring Pro Street. Built up, all upgraded suspension, rear end, transmission, built to go fast and easy to handle. Steers and stops on a dime. Tilt wheel, custom paint, custom interior. A lot of money went into this car a few years ago. It wasn't built today. 10, 12 years ago, I would say. Only a couple thousand miles on the car. It could be the fastest car I've ever driven. Very easily. Custom leather interior, nice gauges. Frame is painted.